All right, well, it's great to have Aaron Tank in the audience because it reminded me of this time we played The Grinch with Aaron, and he does this really cool electric lead on that one. But we'll do this one for Aaron.
Charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. Well, you're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, nasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that describe you best are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the CC crocodile. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful sauce. Your heart's a dead tomato with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable. Tangled up in tangled knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous silver nos. You're a crooked jerky jockey and you ride a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you.